Taking the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, I'm going to use to prime my eyes, and I'm using it with my fingers, patting it in, making sure that it's all blended and even. Then I'm going to take a little piece of surgical tape because I do not have any more Scotch tape, thanks to my daughter. And then I'm going to place it on the outer V of my eye. Then going into the Juvia Place ZULU palette, I'm going to take that brown, and then I'm going to take this yellow and the orange in the palette, and I'm going to add this to my eyes. Starting from the outer corner, I'm just going to pat that yellow in. I'm patting because I did not set my base with translucent powder. So if you don't pat, the eyeshadows will drag and kind of leave them streaky. So that's why I pat the eyeshadow on first and then go back and blend over. Doing the same thing with the orange, I'm going to pat that on and then blend out. And I also put that brown shade down first because I wanted it to have a kind of skin tone flush so that it wouldn't be white like that with the eyeshadow base. Yeah, I don't want under my eyebrow to be white, so I just went in with that. Then I'm going to go into the JACLYN Hill palette. I'm going to take the shade Jax, and as I said before, starting off pat, and then I'm going to drag it into the almost to the middle of the eye. And as you can see, my palette looks real ratchet because I wrote all the names on the palette. Then I'm going to go into the shade 24/7 and Chips. I think those are the names. Yeah, and I'm going to blend those two together, and I'm using a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm just going to pack those into the outer V of the eye and directly into the crease. Then I went in with a little bit of black from that JACLYN Hill palette, and then I just went and put that into the outer V. Actually, I think I used the shade Soda. That's the really dark brown shade next to the black. Then I'm just gonna go back with that orange and with the shade that I used, the color Jax. And then I'm gonna go in and cut the crease out. And I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot on a NYX concealer flat brush. Then I'm going to go into that shade Soda Pop or Soda, whatever it's called. I'll leave all the names down in the description. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to blend out the outer V. And then I'm going to take the same brush that I used for Jax. And then I'm going to go into that orange shade in the Juvia's Place ZULU palette. And I'm going to put this all over the lid. And then once I'm done laying this on, I'm going to go with the Mayo Makeup. I'm going to take their neon pigments and I'm going to put this over top. Taking the Urban Decay glitter liner, I'm going to take the shade Midnight Cowboy and I'm just going to outline the crease of my eye. Then I took the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter and I popped that into my inner corners. Taking the shade HUNTZ, Jax, and Soda Pop, I'm going to smudge those along my lower lash line to smoke it out. Using those shades in that order, first I used HUNTZ, then I went to JAC's, and then I put Soda Pop closest to the lash line. For lips, I used the COLOURPOP K-liner, and then I went ahead and used the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip in Nude Beach. And also I put the ELLARIE lip gloss, I think it's the shade NETTA, over top. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. You guys have no idea how many times I tried to film this look over and over again. And I'm finally satisfied with how it came out. I love the bright colors. I love playing with color, period. And I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Connect with me on my other social medias. I'll leave all of them down in the description bar, as well as the other information on the makeup that I used. Until next time, you guys.